Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite pumpkin spice iced coffee. But before we get started, I want to thank Best Buy for sponsoring this video. The new G Profile Opal 2.0 Ultra Nugget Ice Maker at Best Buy brings true nugget ice to your home. Chewable, crunchable nugget ice that's perfect for cocktails, soda, beverages, and of course, iced coffees. The chewable, crunchable pallet ice you crave is now even better. G Profile brings you an upgraded model of the popular Opal ice machine right to your countertop. Make sure to click the link in my bio so you can save now through the holidays. With that being said, let's get started. We're going to begin by making our pumpkin syrup. To our saucepan over medium heat, add 1.5 cups of water, 1 piloncillo, or you can use 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, and I just like to break it. Along with that, 1 star anise. Just going to bring it to a simmer and allow the piloncillo to dissolve. Once the piloncillo has dissolved, we're going to add our 7 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Along with that, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Just going to whisk it together. Okay, and once the pumpkin has dissolved, we're going to turn it off and just allow it to come to room temperature. Once our pumpkin syrup has cooled down, now we can get ready to make our iced coffee. Okay, to our pitcher, we're going to be adding 4 cups of water. We're going to be dissolving 1/4 cup of iced instant coffee. Just mix it. To that, add 1 cup of milk, or if you want to make it just water-based, then you can just keep it all water and skip on the milks. Along with that, 1 can of evaporated milk and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice extract. Once we have that, we're going to strain our pumpkin syrup. Of course, you can always add little by little to see how sweet you want your coffee. Or if you want to make it, or if you want to add it when you're serving, then you can do that too. Okay, so once we have added that, now we're just going to mix it all together to make sure that everything is well combined. And now you can just refrigerate or get ready to serve. Okay, I'm just going to top it with some whipped cream and some pumpkin pie spice. Just like that. Okay, get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy. You get to put this in the refrigerator and drink your coffee whenever you feel like it. It's honestly the best. Perfect for this time of year. So cheers and enjoy. So good. Of course, if you like your coffee stronger, you can always add more coffee. But this right here, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious pumpkin spice iced coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're into my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.